Welcome to AirTime with ELGi. This podcast explores the world of air compressors, industry trends, and innovations transforming businesses worldwide. In each episode, we engage with ELGi's air experts, ELGi leaders, and ELGi partners to uncover insights, share experiences, and discuss the future of compressed air solutions. Whether you are in manufacturing, heavy industry, or specialized sector, this show is something for you. I am Prince Lawrence, your host, and today's podcast topic is on customized air compressor solutions for industries worldwide. I would like to welcome Venkat, Head Projects at ELGi. Venkat, thank you for joining us today, and it's great to have you on the show. Before we start, would you like to introduce yourself and your role at ELGi?
Thank you, Prince, for inviting me to your podcast. I'm Venkat. I head projects and product development. Me and my team are responsible for developing customized products which are very unique from industries to industries, and we are responsible from contract review, offer making, and successful execution of projects in ELGi.
ELGi's project team plays a key role in innovation. Can you explain about it?
ELGi's project team, we are more focused on offering solutions which are energy efficient and cost effective in terms of giving an innovative compressed air solutions to the customer, which vary from industry to industry, customer to customer. So we are very efficiently managing the different requirements by offering right solutions to each one of them.
So, what sets them apart in delivering customized solutions?
So, Prince, in today's environment, market is very competitive. We need to stand unique. So, the ELGi's project team is unique. All of us possess a customer-centric mindset. We are very agile and have an iterative approach in addressing every technical clarification from the customer and executing the projects efficiently. We have a strong data-oriented approach and we offer solution without any cost and time overrun. We have a technical team which are very flexible and adaptable to every customer requirement, and we possess as a team we are able to manage the execution from supply to the erection and commissioning and handing over to each one of the customers.
So now that we know about your team and your team strengths, so we'll talk about ELGi's global presence and industry expertise. So ELGi operates in over 120 countries. So what are some of the key markets that ELGi focuses on?
Okay. As you know, ELGi's home ground is India, and we have a very strong market presence in India. But we are also focusing on key markets in Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia. And ELGi is also aspiring to go to Europe and Americas because we have already addressed those markets with our standard products. So we are ready for customized products sales in those countries as well.
So the different industries, we have unique needs for different industries. So how does ELGi tailor its compressors to meet those demands?
Okay. As you know, ELGi's wide product range is helping us to meet the most stringent industries like, pharma, food and beverage industry, semiconductor, electronics, also the robust and, the hard running environment, harsh environment industries. Also, we are offering with our lubricated and other product range, just not the compressors, also along with the downstream accessories.
ELGi serves industries with the highly demanding quality and performance standards such as the pharma industry, food and beverages, textiles. So my question is, how does ELGi address the unique operationals and regulatory challenges over there?
Okay. Each industry has a different requirement in terms of technicalities, also the statutory and regulatory norms. Being it a pharma industry, they go with the GMP. Being it a food industry, they go with the FDA. So ELGi's wide range, which is having a differentiated products for each of these industries with full solution offering with respect to dryers, receivers, filters, we are able to meet each of their requirements from our side. So that is helping us to sell our products and make sure that we satisfy the customers in each of these segments very effectively.
So energy efficiency is top priority for industries. So how does ELGi helps businesses optimize savings and reduce costs?
ELGi's energy efficiency is in the design of the company. We think it is very important to make sure that all our products have the best energy efficiency and we give the best to the customers. We have multiple choices to reduce the energy for the compressor. We do focus on mechanical, we focus on electrical, and we also focus on future ready instrumentation to save energy to customer. ELGi has developed a wide range of errands which are slow speed, larger size errands that will obviously give a lot of energy saving to customers. We do offer accessories like variable speed drives. We offer heat recovery systems to recover nearly 84% of the power that is getting put onto the compressors.
Performance is critical in compressed air systems. So, what steps does LG take to enhance efficiency and reliability?
Okay. You know, LG has been awarded with prestigious Deming Prize in 2019. So, LG is one of the few compressor companies which has the total quality management. So, our process is completely complied from end to end. So, we have process checks at different points. We have the self-managed team who takes the role of production, also the reliability from raw material to the finished goods.
As you said, that your team is known for their agility in delivering solutions. So, what makes the team's approach so effective in responding swiftly to customer needs?
LG's project team strongly depends on factory and engineering. As you know, LG is one of the 5 compressor companies who have their in-house R&D facility, and we are completely equipped with vertically and backward integrated operations. So we have a complete flexibility and agile support to support our customers. So that's where we are able to meet the customer requirements.
Could you share insights into LG's infrastructure and how it supports development of customized compressor solutions?
Okay. You know, LG's recent development with respect to our infrastructure, we have gone completely sophisticated and more advanced, and we have, as I said, in both vertically and backward integrated. So we have our own foundry, our own motor plant division, pressure vessel division, and machining division. Uh, to give you an insight, even we built our own grinding and milling machines that goes in for cutting rotors. So this is where we stand unique. And also, as you know, already we are a TQM company who are focusing on process end to end, starting from raw material to the finished goods. And if you see with respect to the infrastructure capability, we are following lean manufacturing system where we are able to meet shorter lead times to customers, and we are also having an AI driven facility with respect to manufacturing, and we have a continuous development and investments from the management that goes in for building our infrastructure for future requirements of the markets.
So, let's talk about sustainability and smart technologies. So, sustainability is the major focus today. So, how does LG's solutions support energy savings and eco-friendly operations?
The sustainability, what it means to customer is they should have a product that has the least carbon footprint. Indirectly, it is the energy efficiency.
Right.
And it also has to have the lowest maintenance cost, because there is a lot of money is getting invested in maintaining the compressors or dryers or any kind of equipments. So basically it starts with design. So we make eco-friendly products, compressors, dryers and other accessories, and we also focus on noise reduction, the disposable from the compressors, like water, other kind of consumables that is getting replaced. So we try to minimize in all aspects, just not staying with energy alone. So that is where we are able to offer products that will help customers to have the best product with best sustainability in the market.
Nowadays, the ESG initiatives are transforming the industry. So, how does LG aligns its product innovations with the ESG goals?
As you see, ESG is environmental, social and governance initiative. The products are very much specific to environmental, which we have also seen in the previous questions as well. The sustainable products that will have the best energy efficiency, and we will have the complete end-to-end solution that will have the least carbon footprint. So thereby we are able to make sure that customer is also meeting their net zero requirements as per their regulatory norms.
Smart technologies nowadays is transforming the industries with digital features. Does LG offers for remote monitoring and productivity?
Yeah, of course, because today we are living in the digital era. We have continuous improvements in our mobiles and laptops. Similarly, the instrumentation and control systems of compressors are also getting advanced day by day. As you rightly said, the future ready compressors are made in LG right now. To give an example, we have Air Alert, which is an IoT enabled device that will be monitoring the compressor 24/7 for predictive maintenance and also for pressure optimization and energy saving. We also have a energy care systems wherein we will be able to have AI driven solutions for customers by doing a master slave control, fleet management, preventive maintenance, periodic alerts on maintenance, and we also give a solution to customer based on their utilization, what other things they have to do, like it can be an air audit, it can be an energy audit, it can be a air leak detection and removal of those leaks in the pipeline.
So let's talk about turnkey solutions and customization. So we know that LG offers turnkey solutions. So how does this simplifies compressed air systems integration for industries?
If you see, every customer wants to have peace of mind. So LG is the single window solution for customers. So we are taking responsibility end to end for all the products. Second one, we have a pre-engineered modular kind of systems that is very quick for deployment. We also have energy efficient and cost effective solutions. And last is to ensure that customer has to have all the solutions in a more efficient and effective way. So that is where we are able to offer them as a turnkey solutions.
So customization is the key for efficiency. So what options does LG offers for drive systems, instrumentation and materials?
The key components in compressors are, one is mechanical, which is LG's in-house systems, where we have already discussed about how efficient we are. And if for LT systems and HT systems, when we specifically talk about electrical drives, so we have multiple voltages, frequencies which are required for different countries. So we are able to offer all that in our drive system, especially on the electrical motors. And we also do lot of instrumentation attached to those drive systems where we can do remote monitoring. And with respect to the instrumentation, LG has made instrumentation completely tailor-made for every industry. So we have smart and non-smart type of instrumentation. We have these kind of systems fixed for all the systems, be it an air or oil or a water system. So we need to have a lot of flexibility in what kind of materials we are going to use for our key components like coolers, tanks, piping, etc., which again we do a lot of customization based on the industry needs, application needs, and the environment where these industries are working.
Nowadays, customer support and long-term reliability is always a challenge. Let's talk about that. And before that, as you said, LG provides more than just air compressors. So could you elaborate on the complete product portfolio, including downstream accessories and total compressed air system commissioning?
When we talk about total compressed air solution, it starts from air generation, distribution, and utilization. So LG has products from generation till utilization. We have drying system with multiple kind of air dryers, starting from refrigerated air dryer, energy saving cyclic dryers, heat of compression dryers, heated blower, vacuum pressure swing absorption dryers. Similarly, we have a wide range of filtration systems, downstream filters, oil water separators and drains. And we have storage solutions like vertical air receivers and horizontal air receivers with multiple material of construction made to standard for different standards. Apart from this, we do have on control systems like master controllers, demand side controllers, and variable frequency drives, and IoT enabled devices like air alerts. So we leave multiple options to customers so that they can pick and choose what suits them the most.
After sale support is always crucial in these industries. So how does LG provides reliable service across its different regions?
For LG, after sales is the first. So we give a lot of importance to building the team, training the people, and we provide seamless, reliable after sales service across all geographies, leveraging the network what we have, enabled by AI driven after sales solutions. We do have focus on air care systems where we talked about how we will be able to give multiple options on the solutions other than supply of parts. And when we supply just air audits, energy audits, we take care of the after sales need of customers till the end.
As I said, customer support, now the long-term reliability comes in picture. So long-term reliability is a must in manufacturing industry. So what step does LG takes to ensure its compressor performs consistently over the years?
In crisp, if I have to say, it starts from robust engineering, advanced high quality manufacturing. Then if you see, it is the after sales support, and high quality manufacturing and testing facilities, manufacturing energy efficient products. So in all these terms, we are able to meet the high reliable products, as we said, for any kind of harsh environment.
So now that we are coming to the end of this podcast session, so what would be your key message for industries seeking efficient and customized air solutions to enhance their operations?
At LG,
Yeah.
we empower industries with high reliability, energy efficient, tailor-made solutions that enable the highest productivity with lowest operational cost. Be it a critical oil-free air demand or a robust oil-flooded air demand, for any kind of harsh environments or industry fit solutions, LG is ready to offer. We also focus on sustainability, performance and energy efficiency.
Thank you, Venkat, for sharing your insights on today's topic.
It's my pleasure, Prince. Thank you.
So, LG is committed to delivering customized, efficient, and reliable air compressor solutions for industries worldwide. With the presence in 120 plus countries, we understand unique industry needs and ensure energy efficiency, compliance, and performance. Our turnkey solutions, smart technologies, and strong after sales support help businesses maximize productivity and reduce costs. Thank you for tuning in today. Please stay connected with us for more insights into the future of compressed air solutions. Until next time, here is to future powered by efficiency, reliability, and innovation. Thank you.